Okay, we are looking at a tile that has lots of nooks and crannies. It is really dirty. This is the hardest floor I've ever had to clean in my life on a regular basis. So I'm going to show you what I do to make it as easy as possible. Once a week I do this process because there's no other way that I'm aware of. Now, just take a good look at the floor. Remember the floor? Now, what I'm doing is I am spraying my degreaser. It's called Shyn degreaser onto the floor because I need help to get the dirt and the grime out of the cracks. If it's not out, the steam mop won't do anything. It just cleans the surface. I've done it without the degreaser many times and there's not the same effect at all. So I'm just spraying. Now, I will tell you this is specifically for this tile only. So we saturate the floor or we cover the floor with Shyn degreaser. It's not going to hurt the tile at all. It's like a strong detergent. No, there's no clean steam mop, obviously. There is no harmful, like you're not going to smell all the smells. We don't have that. Okay, now what I want you to do is look at the difference in the line. As I move back, look at the difference. See the black piece and not the black piece? And you'll see, yes, it's the tile color, but it's not. Do you see how that black is gone? So the key is the steam, the degreaser has loosened the stuff to come out of the grime to come out of the cracks. The steam is lifting it a little bit. Making it nice and moisturized, and then the microfiber pad is just lifting it straight off and trapping it in the fibers. Super easy. This is the slowness you go. Now you can see the difference in the tile. See the black and the white? It's in real life, it's crazy. So the main thing is I want you to go slow pace so the steam and the pad is doing the job. You might need to go over the same thing twice, 3 times if you've got some stuck hard chocolate or something. But this is my miracle worker. I thought I would share it with you. I think all steam mops, I'm not quite sure about the difference in them. I bought this from the Good Guys. I forget their name, but it's the black one. I think it's the only black one. I did put this on fast forward so you'd watch it fast. So this is the process. You will see black from just the kitchen. That's it, my loves. That's it. A nice clean floor. So beautiful.